Think your password is strong if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I love you, or your birthday. A hacker can break it in seconds. Let's fix that before it's too late. Stay till the end. I'll show you a method hackers absolutely hate. Here's why most passwords fail. Hackers don't guess. They use giant lists of stolen passwords, testing millions every second. Adding 1 to 3 feet or exclamation doesn't help. It just slows them down by milliseconds. Here's how to make a password hackers can't stand, and you can still remember. Step 1. Pick a phrase only you know, like my dog ate rice at 8 a.m. Step 2. Swap a few letters for numbers. Step 3. Add a symbol at the start and end. That's a 19-character password, long, random, and nearly uncrackable. You can check if your email or password has ever been leaked. Go to haveibeenpwned.com, type in your email, and it'll tell you if it's been exposed in a data breach. Now you know how to make a strong password, but how do hackers actually break them? That's what I'll reveal in the next video. Subscribe before the hackers do.